Yeah, hi. This is Vinay Kumar, and this is my 13th SQL question. Let's see the question. This one is the question, and simply, basically, it is a easy question also, and a little bit of toughness is there. Let's see the question. Write a query. mm, yeah, Write a query that returns YRN for each user based on the overlapping of dates with other users. Okay, this is basically a simple straightforward question, that is a overlapping dates question. So when there is overlap, then it take it as a Y, otherwise take it as N. Okay, let's analyze the situation here. So one more sheet I am taking, and I want, so basically what I am observing, I am observing overlapping of these dates. For example, four scenarios will be there. Basically what that thing is, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and last one, this one, and this one. For example, this one is uh, date 6. For example, this one is starts with the 6 and ends with 15, for example. So here it is the uh, this is one of the record of table A, and so basically it is a like a self join pain. Basically it is a, like a self join kind of query, and let it, this event will be starts at, let this event will be starts at 1 and ends at uh, for example 23rd, for example. So now what happened, what I am understanding, this start date, this start date is lesser than, sorry, this start date is lesser than this record and date, right? Let's observe this one, just basically observe this one. This record start date is small compared to end record and date. Okay, and let's this one, and this record end date, this record end date is more than this record start date. Let's observe all of these cases, observe all the cases. For example, for this is the one, this is the one, this is the one, and this event ends at 15th. Hmm? This event starts at 6th, and this event ends at 23rd. Let's observe this situation. So this record is lesser than this record end date. This record start date is lesser than this record end date. The condition is true, right? For example, what I am saying, that a table start date, a table start date is lesser than b table record, the record of b table. See, self join self join, it means self join means mm, the table is one, table is single. Okay, uh, see, self join is nothing but join within the table itself, simply. So that start date is lesser than this table record of, the record of b table end date, end date, and also this record, this one, this a table record of end date is greater than b table record of start date. Okay, you understand my logic, right? So this is that logic. Let's observe it. So 1, so the start date, this one is lesser than 23rd, and also this a end date, this one 15 is greater than 6. Similarly here we can consider whatever it may be. You can take it as 1, and here I am considering it as either you can take it as 6. Okay, 6, and this one is something some 15, and this one is something some 23. Okay, same, you can observe this situation. This start date is lesser than this table record of end date. Similarly, this end date is greater than this table record of start date. Same logic. Similarly, so here also you can add this one now. So 0 1, and uh, for example 0 6, for example 23rd of this one, for example 15th, no? Yeah, compare here, you can compare here also similarly. So nothing is there, this is the logic, that's it. Because comparisons, see, always the start date and end date of different tables, right? Start date and end date have greater, end date is more value, that's it. Logics are so simple and so straightforward. So this is the data. Let's see the data. Just it is a varchar, so you can take it as a, so I want to consider it as a just an id. So id, so to date of start date, comma, which is in the pattern of dd mm yyyy, and to date of and date, which is in the pattern of dd mm yyyy. So let's see what happened here. This is the start date of sd. Let's see, this is the end date ed. So enter. Okay, okay, so now I am take it as a e. So now make it as a inner join means an inner join simply. So be on, what the condition is this one, na? This is the condition, uh, this is the condition, and this is the condition, right? So this one is the condition, this is the condition, correct? So let's see, let's write that condition. So what happened, this start date is lesser than the record of b table. So here nothing, b is nothing but similar to same table na itself. So end date at the same time, and a dot of end date is always greater than b dot of start date na. So let's run it, what happened. So ambiguous column, okay, okay, what happened. So uh, okay, I understand this point. Okay, so I want to make it as a result set now t1. So because ambiguous column, so because here I am mentioned now, so this one executing for itself, it executes very good, because mm, Control C, and I want to make it as a result set. Okay, and here also I want to make it as a result set. So let's see what happened here. Okay, you understand my logic now? Because what happened here, mm, because it is a varchar, the string can it taken as a varchar. I'm converting this into a data type. So now only the machine can understand this one, which kind of data type it is, which kind of data it is. Okay, so here, mm, see, this id record maps with this id, because same mapping here happens. So that's why here on condition taken as here. So, and at the same time, this a dot id not equal to b dot id. Okay, a dot id not equal to b dot id. And also now you want only what, which kind of data you want, like this na, overlap y. Okay, y n. Okay, so let us take it as TISTI and CT distinct of only a dot of id only. Let us consider only one of these things. Okay, distinct of this id, and also y overlap. Okay, now I want uh, union. What is that union? Select id, select id n from t1 where id not in. Let's pick up this one. So uh, that's it now. So nothing is there. Yeah, so last order by one only. So a b c d, a b c y y, and d only n. So a b c y and d only n, correct. So that's it all guys, and I hope this is a very good problem, and this is one of the most important interview question also. uh, that's it all, and if you have any doubts regarding SQL, so this is my mail ID. uh, so you can ping me any doubt regarding SQL. So that's it all guys, thank you, and make a comment also.